Hi student, how are you? Today we are come back to learn the new lesson. Let's start student. In the last lesson we study about the quadrilateral and today we study about the circle. For example, we have this circle. How many parts we have in the circle? We have the center, we have a radius, we have a diameter. However, we have a chord. After we know about this, we learn about the chord, student. A line segment with one end point at the center of a circle, and the other end point on the circle is called a radius, student. And you can say radii or radius, both of them is right. And a diameter line segment passes through the center, just pass through the center, student. Say is a diameter and of a circle has both endpoints on the circle. This line segment pass through the center and 2 points on the circle we have. So this line is called a diameter. The length of a diameter is always twice of the length a radius. If you look this, if you have this radius, what about the diameter? Twice length of a radius, student. So you can say if a radius of this CD equal to 6.25 centimeters, what about the diameter? The diameter equal to 2 times 6.25, or you can say 625 plus 6.25 equal to 12.5 centimeters, student. And we have an example there. Look. Say name the center of the circle, a diameter, and 3 radius of a circle. If you look at this circle, which one is the center for this circle? Point O is a circle. Center point of the circle. Point O is the center point of the circle. And name the circle. The circle is called circle O because the center is O, named by the center point. And line segment AB is a diameter because passes through the center point. AB, line segment AB, you can say line segment AB is a diameter. And what about the radius? We have OA, OC, and OB are a radius or a radii. By plural say radii, you can say radii or radius, both of them are right, student. Line segments called the chord can be formed on the circle. If we have this line segment AB, it's called a chord because it's not passed through the center. A chord is not passed through the center, maybe passed through the center, but this one is not a diameter, just a chord. If passed through the center, for example, this is a line segment AB is a chord, also is a diameter because pass through the center, but there's just a chord, is not a diameter, student. Just a chord because is not passed through the center. So a chord is a line segment with 2 endpoints of the circle, just endpoints on the circle. And we have a practice 3, 4, 6. Use the circle as the right. We have name the given parts. Which point is the center of the circle? If we looked, we have O. Point O is a center point. Name a chords of the circle. We have how many chords, student? Line segment BA or AB is a chord. Line segment DC, you can say, or CD. Line segment DC or CD, both of them are right, student. Are a chord, is a chord, sorry. And BD or DB are CA or AC are a chords. So we have how many chords? We have 4 chords: AB, BD, AC, and DC are the chords, student. What about the radius? If you look, we have how many radius? OC, OB, OA, OD are radius. Line segments, slowly you can, the first time you say line segment, this line segment, after that name the points. OB, OC, OA, OC, OD are a radius. What about the diameter? We have two diameters there, student. Line segment BD and line segment AC are a diameter, student. Line segment AC and BD, you can say DB or CA, both of them are right. Line segments are diameters. And we have question 7 for 10. Use the circle at the right also. Name the given parts of the circle. Which point is the center of the circle? Point M is a center point. And what about the chords? How many chords we have? ZX. Line segment ZX is a chord. And line segment YW or WY also is a chord. So line segment ZX and line segment WY are the chords. What about the radius, student? Line segment MW and MY are radius already. What about the diameters? Line segment WY is a diameter, just WY is a diameter. ZX just is a chord, is not a diameter. But ZX and WY are chords because make two lines, make two lines on the circle or in points of the circle. And question 11 say draw a circle M, label a diameter EF, radius MG, and chord FH. I say make a circle, student. The first time you make a circle, and because I say draw a circle M, it means the center point is M. Name the circle is M, so we have center point M. After that we have label diameter EF. Diameter is EF. This line make the diameter, and we have line segment EF. And I say a radius MG, because a radius start from center point and the point of the circle. I make this line segment MG is a radius. What about the chords? This line is a chord FH. Line segment FH is a chord, student. I hope you can understand what I say, and I hope to see you the next, student. Goodbye for today. Goodbye.